So what is up, guys? It is July 20th. It's a Friday, and it's gonna be a beach day with the boy and girls. Apoy boys ex Danu, but we're gonna be missing Belle and Robert. So I'm on my way to go pick up Noelani, chill at AJ's house, and wait till AJ says it's ready to go. Carpool with AJ, and we're going to the beach. Same beach as the beach house we went to for camp. So I'll catch you guys later. Should be right here. Yeah. Kind of late. Look, she's here now. Yeah. So we're just waiting for AJ. What time is it?
10:45.
We're supposed to be leaving 10, but it looks like a little pushback. And we're just chilling at AJ's house until everything's in A-OK. And then going beach. See you guys there. Bye. Hey yo, what is going on? We're going to the beach and we are stuck in some traffic. We finally picked up easily. She's the reason why we're late and like nah.
I was at my house for 20 minutes waiting for you guys.
You gotta speak up for the camera. Can I hear? Okay, anyways, we're going to Fresh Air. Yeah, we'll catch you guys later. Oh, Uncle's out here jamming, dog.
Nah, dog, we go sneak into the beach house again.
That's what I said, bro. Dog, that's what I said to Joe one day, and he was like, bro, I can. I said, get the keys and the code. I know the code. I was like, oh, bet, there we go. But yeah, on our way, we'll catch you guys back. Oh, like this, yeah. Oh shoot. Yeah. So last night, I was looking at some pictures, you know, back in the day, 2014, 2015, and saw poses, man. Oh shoot. Oh. Yeah, we're just goofing around. We're almost there. Almost there. Bear with us. Almost there. Where Fresh Airs is, it's pretty much the beach that we were at for camp. So pretty much we're going back to the beach house. Oh dang, bro. No, the memories, bro.
The memories.
Oh, shit. And the beach is right here. Yeah, I saw.
Hey, what's up, you guys? It's Local Filipino Boy 808 coming back at you.
Oh, you're good.
What'd she say?
You just did your intro.
Oh, she.
I can't even see. I can't say it. Local Filipino Boy 808.
Not too far down. But yeah, we at the beach. Fresh Airs.
Yeah.
Gonna catch some waves.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know?
It's so low tide. Anyway, so yeah. So I'll check back in with you guys later.
Shoot! Can't breathe. Oh, it's so empty. Okay, AJ.
boy, the Filipino Boy 808, and after having so many videos gone so good, my life is so settled right now. I have a steady job. This is my wife, and I'm just ready to start. We're just ready to start life, man. You know, my son, he's out here, living his best life. He's gonna graduate college soon. It's so amazing. I'm just really blessed with this house. All of it is from YouTube money, and all of it is from my friends like you. And I just really want to thank all of you. Thank you for liking, sharing, subscribing, and if you want more videos like this, please turn your post notifications on so when I upload a new video, it'll be up. Catch you guys later.
Somewhere in the description.
In the description. Deuces. Just Pauhana's beach sesh. I don't know what we're gonna do now. Where are we going? 7-Eleven. AJ's gonna show me that coffee he got last time at camp. Oh, he's going to McDonald's because he took pictures for these girls that he knows. Cause yeah, that's AJ. Yeah. All right, I'm always gonna say we'll catch you guys later. I should just make merch. All right, see you guys later. I'll be back.